Welcome to Nandaly, a town in the Mallee region of Victoria, Australia. Located 388 kilometres northwest of the state capital of Melbourne on the Calder Highway in the Shire of Boloki. Located a short distance from the highway is a great rest stop or place for an overnight stay. With fantastic facilities located opposite the community-owned pub, you will find toilets, a hot shower, a fire pit, barbecues, 2 powered sites and a playground. This is a free campsite, so please go over to the pub and order a drink or a meal to show your thanks for providing this amazing spot.